guys, round 2, baby. Round 2 at the tea leaf meet. We got the boys behind. Check it out. Didn't want to die. I can't be stopping, but we're on round 2. Tea leaf car meet. Last one was a banger. You'll see the last one uploaded tonight.
Round 2. Stay tuned, baby.
Oh my God! No lights on the Bandit.
Oh, I thought that was a fucking decent.
Jesus! Wow! Look at the Bandit. Trying to be a bandit.
Yes. The pops and cracks.
I think we took it over. Ticker J. Jones smoking the reefer
Right in the middle.
Down Colton's old river dipper. I got nothing to say about it because I think he sold it to him as a clean bean, dude. Oh, Quinn, you ready?
That'll be the fucking thumbnail.
You ready? She's out.
Yeah.
It's Quinn.
I know.
He ain't ready though.
Dude, that is weird.
Chrome. I like the chrome. Yo. Dude, I want to get my. I really wish my underglow would work.
I need to fucking smoke this.
Oh my God, we got a special guest here, folks.
Big drip.
Look at her. Look at them together, dude.
Oh my God.
And she's perfectly good now.
Oh my.
She's
That is
beauty.
not true.
Both fans are. No, not this. Both fans are running beautifully. Check out what we did. Oh yeah. Oh, pull. Dude, he got out of there. Dude, look how close he was. This dude was just sitting there waiting. Like, you tap me on the shoulder, like, what is this? This is what happens here, man. It's outrageous, right? But no, last time there was like Hellcats and shit doing this. I know. We need someone to step up.
I got the keys to your vehicle.
Oh, I would love to. On the Infinity did not sound good after the one. Oh, he's coming through.
Oh.
Who?
I mean, it's got the taser on that. I just need to do no.
Oh, that is my boy.
What do you got?
Where? John.
Where? That's I like it.
It needs to be louder.
Yes.
You know,
type of exhaust does that?
full custom. Fully custom.
What type of exhaust?
It's literally fully custom.
On tubes.
Well, it's got headers, you know, sticky headers.
Oh, okay.
But it's all custom made from Kessel Performance. Literally all pie cut. Let her eat. Yes. Dude! Oh my god!
Up at 120.
Whoa!
Good shit, bro. Good shit, bro.
Oh,
I got that whole shit on video.
Fuck yeah.
yo, excuse me. Oh my god, dude. Yo! You got the spoon engine.
Ooh, that shit, bud.
No. You fucked up the axle or the transmission? You see all the crack ends? Put it back up. I'm trying to get home.
try to pull you, bro.
Nah, you better try to slam this bitch in gear and get home.
Bro, I wanted to follow you.
Nah, it's manual.
Way to get it to the team, you know?
Wait, Roy's calling
Are you gonna swing it?
See what I can do.
Oh my God! He's
Are you
definitely
gonna swing it?
fuse.
This one?
Yeah.
Hold your
He
traction.
went from all-wheel drive to back-wheel drive now.
Until it's
Yeah.
Let's
You promise
go.
not to flip this shit?
I hope not.
All right.
You think it'll flip?
That's
Maybe.
No, it ain't gonna
With her
flip.
big ass in the back.
You got the option to put it like in rear-wheel drive, or?
He pulled the fuse.
Oh, you gotta pull the fuse?
He's got the option to
Yo, hold my fuse.
I got you, bro. Is it really?
Hold my fuse.
Man's pulled the fuse.
Back up.
Yo, you wanna do him around me? You wanna do him around me?
You're gonna get
I'm not like that.
roll on
I can jump.
Go by.
Do what you want, but
Alright, yeah, just do it down around me and shit.
You trust Clay that much?
That's crazy.
Get him ready, boy. Get him ready.
Keep going, keep going.
Oh no!
I'm recording my fucking phone down. I think it's an asshole.
I'm not getting hit by that thing. Are you swinging? Are you swinging? Which way are you swinging? Go, go, go. Oh, hold on. Watch out. Big truck's coming. Big truck's coming. Move, move. Oh. Let her eat, Ran. Yeah, right here.
One fucking tire spinning.
Well, luckily this was this side, so, you know, I'm only on one side. They won't know. Chum out, he's trying to chum. Oh, he just got so lucky. He got so lucky.
He's got such a sleeper build.
Did you see that? He was fucking trying to escape too. I mean, I'm not worried. I mean, we ain't even doing anything. We're here for a car show. Here you go. Thank you. How was it? You'll see it on the video. All right, we got Ran in the salad biscuit here. Let's see what it's like.
S-curve. Dude, you gotta remember, I'm not seatbelted in, and this chair is wiggling. Right?
No, it's not wiggling. Rand fucking welded that biscuit in there.
Turn those off. You can see this big gauges. Go left here if you really want to go on another good road.
No, I can't. Rand's gotta be fast.
It's right there, dude. It's literally right there. Just go left, I'm telling you. Oh man, you're gonna blow it. You're gonna make a right.
On Staley?
Yep. fly this way.
Oh!
He's right there. He's right there.
We got chums behind us. Look green, look green.
Nothing on the right. So violent, dude. Hard left. Another one, careful.
No.
Alright.
This is the vlog I took on the way home.
You're fine.
We got Rand following in the back here. So the brake thing fucked up on that. I gotta like put it back in. You can see the. This is so intense.
These are terrible. You can't see the gauges.
Oh god, it's so violent with it off. You know?
You'll see it.
It's like the whole fucking front end lifts up.
You'll see it in the camera, bro. I can't even hold it steady. It's like, it's crazy.
My bad. Oh my god, dude! It's so much faster with the traction control off. Holy smokes! Jesus! Ah, wait, you're messing up the motor right there, right?
Dude, that was insane.
Unbelievable, Brad.
Dude, I got that one really good.
Unbelievable.
Really good.
We were close to like 110 on that. Dude, I really think that the 60 to 130 is like 2 point fucking something seconds.
Oh, we should try.
Oh, Rand's got pulled.
Oh.
Oh my god. No. Fuck. Damn it. I gotta get out of here.
Definitely gotta get home.
He just said send someone else to drive the beams home.
Why?
Here. Look how close you were to damaging my front lip. Turn the lights off. Did he get you?
Only for your registration because
Oh, really?
they can't give me speeding tickets. Like I said.
What did he say?
Said, can't give you speeding tickets, so give the guy that owns the car this and he can pay it. I was like, goddamn right.
It's in my name?
Huh?
In my name?
No, but I was like, it's not my car. Cause
Harlan.
I figured you
chasing his friend McFarland?
I figured you saw the cop, which is why you booked around me. You're like, fuck, I can't get.
Oh, where was he?
He must have been like
Far back behind?
We must have gotten so lucky. He must have been at the last right-hand bend where I was in front. I slowed way down, dropped into third to go. I think that's where he was.
Where the red light was, and I went past you, and then we took that left. Was he behind us?
He was at the turn when you were behind me, and I dropped into third and like went.
Dude, that's when we gave the full. That's when we gave our fullest pull.
I don't think he
with
saw
traction control off.
Dude,
I don't think he saw you weave around, so he probably thought he was pulling that car over. It was pretty rough.
That was a great drive for home.
He was probably.
Don't you love that drive?
or someone else that wants to race.
Yeah, not out there.
I think there's a Chalmer. Your fault. All right, so I mean, this is a little bit of a treat in the shop here. We've got 1, 2, 3 Boston Green E36. This one is a 4-door. It is not LS swapped. These two, obviously, you guys know if you're watching the channel. If you do not watch the channel, we have 2 LS swapped E36s. This one is a 6.0. The other one is a 5.7. This one is a 4-door that we are going to completely just get a drift missile. We've got over fenders. We've got everything to get this baby ready to huck. But overall, pretty clean. Pretty clean little unit here. It's a 328i. Not too bad. A little clear peel on here. Whatever, it's just going to be a drift missile. I did splurge and get the M3 front bumper. It's literally like 130 bucks on Amazon. It is actually a really nice bumper. All right, guys. Well, you know, thanks for watching. You know, Hazen Dazen. All right. Frickin' see you later. This is gonna be my ride for the night. Trusty old backfire. I live pretty close, so perks. That is it for this episode, guys. Frickin' thanks for watching. Frickin' see you later.